What do you think of when you hear the word bank? If you're like most people, it conjures up images of ATMs, branch locations, and nicely dressed bank tellers. However, these images aren't representative of all banks. They're actually associated with a specific type of bank called a retail bank. Bank of America and Chase are examples of retail banks, and the thousands of branch locations and ATMs they have can be great resources to help you manage your money. However, one area that retail banks generally fall short is how well they pay you for the privilege of holding your money. To illustrate this point, here are the current interest rates that Bank of America and Chase offer in their savings accounts: 0.04% and 0.02%. For context, if you had a savings account with $10,000 in it earning those interest rates for a full year, you'd get paid $4 or $2. Now that you've seen these numbers, I'll now ask the question you saw in the title of this video. Have you heard of online banks? Ally Bank and Marcus by Goldman Sachs are examples of online banks. And they're different than retail banks because they don't have things like physical locations and bank tellers, because they host their transactions online. And since online banks don't have to pay the billions of dollars to buy, rent, and staff branch locations across the country, they're generally able to pay you a lot more for the privilege of holding your money. To illustrate this point, here are the current interest rates that Ally Bank and Marcus offer in their savings accounts: 3.75% and 4.15%. For context, if you had a savings account with $10,000 in it earning these interest rates for a full year, you'd get paid $375 or $415. Stepping back, if these numbers are making you consider opening an account in an online bank, just know that doing so doesn't mean you have to give up the benefits you already enjoy at your retail bank. As a financial planner, I've seen many clients successfully manage their money using both online banks and retail banks. To get the best of both worlds, they'll maintain some level of cash in their retail bank to manage bills, credit card balances, and cash withdrawals from that account, while allocating the rest of their cash to an online bank. And if you're worried about the safety of your deposits, just know that major online banks are typically FDIC insured for deposits up to at least $250,000, just like major retail banks. However, when you open a new account at any type of bank, remember, always check the bank's FDIC status. And with that, we've come to an end of this short primer about online banks. As a final note, if you found this video helpful, you may want to consider hitting the subscribe button. I post videos like this every week that can help you with all things personal finance. So, until next time, thanks for watching.